Hello and welcome to another Diecast unboxing. Today I have a Matchbox 9 pack from I think 2021, maybe 2022. This one has the Chevy Caprice police car, the Caprice Classic police car to be exact, as the exclusive. So let's open it. Let's start with the less exciting stuff. The International E-Star, not something I'm into. And then the MBX Field car, I think. Yes, also not really for me. Then the rest is pretty interesting in my opinion. This I don't have yet. The 1995 Nissan Hardbody D21 in blue. Chrome rims. I always take the hitch off of the car, off of this model, because I think it looks better without it. So next is the 2011 Mindy Cooper Countryman. I already have this version, but not bad to have two, I guess. Then this 1963 Austin Healey 3000 Mark II in green. I already have this as well, but I mainly bought it for the exclusive, of course. Again, I don't have this. Well, I do have this, but not a bad casting. The 2016 Mazda CX-5. Chrome rims in black. Not bad. Then the Freightliner Business Class M2106. In a Fire Chief livery, of course, MBX County. Pretty cool. Don't have that yet. Also, first for me. Also first for this casting for me. 26 Ford Crown Victoria. Fire Chief deco as well. These are from the same 5-pack. Yeah, pretty cool. And then the most important car of them is the 1994 Chevy Caprice Classic Police. Is it a license deco? What does it say there? City of... It's really hard to read. City of... something Luis Obispo, maybe? They used the San Obispo County before, I think. Anyway, doesn't matter. This is a very clean version of this casting, I think. Maybe the nicest one they have done so far. The NYPD version is also pretty cool. A little paint defect over there. It's a bummer, but yeah, very nice. Anyway, that was all. So thanks for watching.